People join Dreamforce thinking of income, but some people stay longer to discover such bigger opportunities. Hi people, welcome back to your channel Dreamforce Journey with Arpita, and today we are going to talk about series 5, which is building your own travel business. And we are going to talk about episode 1, that why some travel agents, they never build a business. Now, honestly, what happens is when you actually join at Dreamforce, you think that your biggest opportunity is to learn to how to speak to the customers, to the real conversations, to learning the systems, and of course to learn how to overcome the objections, and learning how to survive the first few months, which is absolutely fine because that's exactly what it is. But the thing is, what I realized over the period of time is that it was never about the booking, it was never about the first invoice, it was never about the commission or anything. And this is a realization which happened a little later, like when I started seeing good invoices and everything. I think the initial first few months that we look at it, sale, invoice, commission, and of course your successful conversations and everything. And naturally, I think success was simply actually about that. But in the longer run, I saw that many of the other agents, they were not actually looking at that. They were always thinking about beyond that booking, beyond that what happens beyond this booking. So they were never into today, they were always about tomorrow. And I think when I noticed that exactly changed the way I also started thinking about Dreamforce. Because eventually you realize something important, that a booking can create income, but a relationship can create something much bigger. Now when we talk about relationship, how do we build that? Because remember, once you have understand the customer's queries and everything, you have done the successful booking. But what after that? What happens after that? That is where the relationship starts to build up. It starts to add up everything. And that is the reason you realize that after the conversation is over, after the sale is over, the booking ends, but the relationship never ends. And I think that is where the entrepreneurial journey begins at Dreamforce for people who are really willing to do so. Because one of the biggest thing that Dreamforce taught me wasn't about sales, it wasn't about customer psychology, objection handling, learning conversation or anything. It was actually understanding that every customer interaction has the potential to become something more valuable than just a single transaction. And I think that is a very different way of thinking. And that was a difference where I started asking, instead of what is the commission that I'm making today, I started asking what am I building over the next few years. And I think most people never make that shift, and which is why you see some travel agents, they are never able to make a business out here. They are still stuck into the commission mode, to the invoice mode, to the sale mode. And I think that's why, like I said, many people focus on the individual bookings, whereas people who have been here for a couple of years would not think about the individual bookings, but rather they would think about a larger goal, a larger picture. Because understand one thing, the booking may be where the journey starts, but it should never be where your vision ends. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and we will meet again in the next one.